Alright, what is going on, everyone? Hope you're all doing well. So, firstly, I would like to say thank you for 3,000 followers on Instagram and thank you for 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. I hope you lot gained a massive amount of value from the videos I have been posting for you guys. Now, first thing I want to do for this video is go over this trade that I took this week on USD CAD. We scaled in 2 positions into this long. We took an entry right here and we took a re-entry right there, and as you can see, smashed our take profit. We secured a nice 5% on this trade. Now I know it was a 2 to 12, but once it reached 10 hours, I pulled out, secured a nice 5% for the week. Can't complain, to be honest. And secondly, I would like to go over my new website that I have created for you guys. It's very simple, much easier than it was before. The whole launch pass thing and the course was in the Discord. It wasn't really presentable, to be honest. So now I've created a website, very structured for you guys. All you have to do is simply purchase the course. Once you've purchased so first you make an account, of course. Make an account, purchase the course. Once you've made the payment, you're going to see this My Dashboard section on the top right corner. Once you head there, you'll get this area right here. You press resume course, but of course for you lot it will be start course. And then the first thing you need to do is go over this join the community and select the link right here. This link will send you straight to the Discord. It'll give you access to it immediately. Just press accept and invite and then you'll get access to the Discord. As you can see, we now have 120 members. We have grown this month, alhamdulillah. So the community is slowly getting bigger and bigger. But anyways, let's go through the website and show you guys a bit more on it. So as you can see, the first section was to join the community, and then the rest of the chapters are going through every concept through the strategy that I trade. And then as you can see here, we have a psychology section to sum up the whole teaching process, right? And then in the Discord, of course, we share all the trading setups there, trade ideas, the community talks, share their setups, share their trades. We see progress, a lot of people send in their back testing. So it's a nice little community where we talk and everything. It's a nice area to be in, to be honest, a community of traders. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. So we're going to be going over USD CAD, and I'm going to show you guys how I managed to enter these 2 positions on the long. So first things first, again, the price cycle. We see it everywhere and you'll see it on every single pair. Trust me, it's all over the place. Once you see it once, you'll see it all the time. First things first, what can we see right here? Okay, first let's head over to the bigger time frame, right? Price tapped into an area of demand right here, okay? We have a rally, we have a base, we have a rally, okay? Clear on the 1 hour. As you can see here, we had that nice consolidation area and then that impulsive move that created imbalance, right? Price tapped into that area of demand, okay? Once price tapped into that area of demand, we waited for that breaker structure, okay? That change of character, that's the most important thing that signals a change in trend, okay? Turn this over back to the lower time frame. Right, so once price tapped into that area of supply, we waited for that structure to be broken. And as you can see, we got that right here, okay? Once that structure was broken, that's when I started to look for my long positions. Got that breaker structure, started to look for an area of imbalance, right? As you can see, we can find that right here. And remember the price cycle, guys. Consolidation, expansion, retracement. And what was the task of the retracement? To fill in any inefficient price action. And we have identified that inefficiency right over here. So once price has now expanded over to the upside, we waited for the retracement to fill in this inefficiency and mitigate of the last candle before that impulsive move to the upside. And now I know you're going to ask, why did you not go over this candle? It's because I refined it down to the 5 minute. Now if I head to the 5 minute, we can see the last candle before the engulfing candle which broke that structure, which was this candle right here, and is much clearer on the 3 minute. As you can see here, right, it's a nice sell to buy candle. All body, minimal wick. We entered at the open, stop loss at the wick of that candle, and then we entered the position of that. Right, so price started to move. It didn't break that structure, so stop loss was still where it was. I only moved my stop loss to break even once it's broken 15 minute structure, and as you can see, that was the last lower high. That structure wasn't broken yet, so my stop loss was still there. Price was moving. I was about to take us out, but it didn't. It came into 50% of that zone and then continued to move over to the upside. Once that structure was broken, as you can see right here, that structure was now broken. That's when my stop loss was now at break even and the first entry was running risk free. And then I started to look for a re-entry point, right? And as you can see here, we have a rally, base, rally, which essentially broke that structure and that structure, right? So once we got that, I marked out that area of demand right there, went in long here again, and then as you can see, price eventually smashed our TP. So that's all there was to this trade. It was simply using the concept of the price cycle, supply and demand, and that is it. That is all you need to trade the markets. This cycle can be seen on all asset classes, from trading indices to gold to everywhere. The price cycle can be seen everywhere. Supply and demand works on every single asset class. Do you know what I'm saying? This strategy is proven to work in all cases. Consolidation, expansion, broke that structure, created that imbalance, retracement, fills in that inefficiency. And then what's the task of the reversal? To take out any liquidity. What do we have right here? Equal highs. Yeah, as you can see, price pulled back, took out that equal highs. What can we see here? Some trendline liquidity. Head over to that 5 minute. What can we see right here? Look at all of this. Trendline liquidity. Again, the tasks of the price cycle is all there. Do you know what I'm saying? Look, retracement to fill in that inefficient price action. And then the task of the reversal, what is it? To seek liquidity. What do we have right here? What's all of this? Liquidity. What did price do? Take out that trend line. Right? Look, all of that. Took out that liquidity. Remember the task of the cycle and implement it on the charts. Trust me, it is all you need. Price cycle, supply and demand. That is it. That's literally the only concepts we use to take this trade on USD CAD. And if you head over to my Instagram, this trade was sent to the community, of course. So this was the after. This was proof that it was sent into the Discord. Okay, look, the mentors charts, it was sent here. And then this was proof of the entries we entered at this point here, and we entered at this point there. That's all there was to this trade. I hope you lot enjoyed this little video covering the trade that we took this week. And take care. Drop me a message if you lot need to on Instagram. I'm not really active on YouTube, so do drop me a message in my DMs and I'll get back to you instantly. I'm quite active there. I reply to everyone. But anyways, guys, take care.